this anymore. Saying everything I said before. All these words, they make no sense. I find bliss in ignorance. Less I hear, the less you say. You'll find that out anyway. Just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to decide.
Get my sweet outfit.
Yeah, looking good, Jasmine. What are you doing here at Skydive Spaceland today?
We are skydiving!
Skydiving! Jumping out of a perfectly good plane. You seem so excited.
Oh yeah, I'm just masking my nervousness, right?
A little excited, a little nervous. What brings you out here today?
Just a bunch of good friends came out. Group 1 is already up there.
All right.
I'm in Group 2.
Very good. Well, tell me, how high are we going to be flying today?
14,000 feet.
14,000 feet in the air. We're going to bail out of the plane.
120 miles per hour.
120 miles per hour. We're going to be free falling. And then, what altitude are you going to reach back there, pull the ripcord, save your life?
6,000. I got my hand motions, my signals ready to go.
You're so ready, Jasmine. Anything you'd like to say to friends and family?
I love you guys.
She loves you. All right, girl, we'll see you in the sky.
All right, we'll see you in the sky.
I cannot take this anymore. Saying everything I said before. All these words, they make no sense. I find bliss in ignorance. Less I hear, the less you say. You'll find that out anyway. Just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense. I found bliss in ignorance.
We're at 6,000 feet, and this is when I'm going to be pulling my chute.
6,000 feet.
6,000 feet. I know Craig's got me, and everyone's awesome, so we're going to be all right. We're going to be all right.
We're going to have a blast with her, right?
How y'all doing?
Heart is a balloon, shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room, no space to rent in this town. You're out of luck, and the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck, and you're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend to take you out of this place, someone you could lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. So let it get away on the road. Destination in the mud, in the maze of her imagination. Your love is stuck.
stepping on my bag.
That freaking rocked.
Give me 5,
I
girl.
Forgot to pull the chute and forgot to do everything. Thank God for Craig and thank God for Craig.
Nice job, Jasmine. Craig, you're having a blast up there, girl.
It was awesome.
What was your favorite part of the jump?
Seriously, I was upset. The free fall felt, I mean, I don't know. It was amazing.
Incredible, huh?
It was so incredible. I was not scared.
Yeah, you seem really relaxed up there. Congratulations.
I just froze though. You know what I mean? I didn't check this.
Hey,
I didn't do it. But it was awesome.
All right, first jump. Who are you going to tell all your friends to call now when they want to come skydive?
Skydive. What?
Skydive Spaceland.
Skydive.
Skydive. All right.
Imagination, your love is done. Even if that doesn't ring true, you've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place. Teach me, I know I'm not a hopeless case. See the world in green and blue. See China right in front of you. See the canyons broken by cloud. See the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the bedroom fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It was a beautiful